Hey, what's up guys, do you also want to create these awesome AI images for the Holi, or these trending AI edits? Then just follow me along with this simple easy tutorial and stay watching till the end, because I'm going to give you a lot of prompts to create these images. So here we are in ChatGPT. You can do it on your smartphone as well as on your laptops or computers. Just open any browser and go to chatgpt.com. If you want, you can use the ChatGPT app as well. Just open the ChatGPT app if you are doing it on your smartphones. I am here in Chrome and I have opened chatgpt.com. I'll put this link in the description below. You just have to go here in the new chat and click on create images and just simply paste the prompt. I'll give you the link of these prompts at the end of this video. So just paste this prompt here, and now we have to simply attach the images which we want ChatGPT to refer. So make sure you attach the images which has clear face visible, close up, and so that ChatGPT can refer those faces very easily. Make sure you attach your own images only and don't attach any other images, because if you upload copyright protected images, then ChatGPT may not create these images for you. So make sure you are uploading your own text here. So yes, just after uploading the images, make sure it has already attached in this chat, and then you have copied and pasted this prompt here in the box, and just send this to ChatGPT. Now let ChatGPT create this image first. While it is creating the image, make sure you have already subscribed to the channel. If not, then do it right now, because if you're not doing that, then you're going to miss a lot of notifications for all our future uploads, these trending topics, and a lot of tutorials on AI, UI, UX, multimedia, etc. So yes, while ChatGPT is creating this, make sure you also hit that like button as well, because for this video, I'm going to set the like count to 500 likes. And once we reach that count, we are going to disable the likes. So yes, just hit that and be among these 500 people. And I guess this image is created, and it will soon reveal this. And now you can look at this awesome image created by ChatGPT, and you can change this name in the prompt as well, so that uh, it you can see I have given this name here. You can give any name here in the prompt, and then that will add the customized t-shirt and name of the person on the t-shirt. And as I told you already, to get the prompts list or the prompt library link, just comment prompt below and I'll give you the link to UXMate prompts library page. Or you can just go to uxmate.co.in and go to the prompts page. You can see here on uxmate.co.in we have created a detailed list of prompts which has prompts library, and you can see a lot of prompts are here. You can just simply go to the Holi prompt, or you can copy any other prompts from this prompts library. So I'll put this link in the description as well, or you can just simply go to uxmate.co.in and then go to the prompts library, and you can copy all these prompts from this page. Okay, yeah guys, that's it. In the next video, keep watching, keep learning, keep designing.